Wait, hold on. These joints even came with socks.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.
What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And Ronnie Fag and Kith is back with the New Balance Daytonas. Dope shoe, man. I regret that I wasn't able to get these when they But like y'all know, if y'all watch the channel, I'm not a huge New Balance collector. I think I showed y'all the bodegas, the yurts, and there's one more I probably can't think of right now. But if you watch the channel, y'all know Kith Monday program every Monday. I'm on it. Last Monday they didn't have a Kith Monday program because they've been dropping the New Balance. So the Daytona's here dropped in 2013 on Black Friday. I remember it clearly. They called the Daytonas because in his childhood, Ronnie Fag, I hope I'm pronouncing his name right, his parents used to always take him on vacation to Daytona Beach. So he decided to make the Daytona thing into the New Balance atmosphere. And I've been to Daytona a couple of times, and it is a little South Beaches, but it's not Miami. So I think he kind of hit these out of the park, man. I love the colorway, guys. As y'all seen, the shoelaces fell out when I tried to show you the sneakers. They come with a whole bunch of shoelaces. They also come with a pair of stance socks. I don't know if every pair came with these, but mine did. I tried to look on StockX to see if that was a necessity when selling. It doesn't show, but they came with the Kith socks included. Same colorway as the sneaker. Very dope. And also dust bag. Now, when the last time you seen a sneaker come with a dust bag? It was the Cactus Jacks. That's the last time. You know the Cactus Jacks, sixes, the khaki joints. Yeah, that's the last time I seen one. So enough talking, man. Hit the music. Unboxing time. You know we love presentation over here at Sneaker Notes, man. And what's better than put the sneaker on the box? Very dope. It's like you know what you're getting before you even buy it. Very dope, man. So the top has the New Balance, huge. Looks like a size 10 to me on the top. Around it, you got Ronnie Fag's initials, a RF, made USA. Shout out to New Balance for that made in USA stantra. Up here it says, I think it says, yeah, Kith. Kith for New Balance since 2011. As I told you, these came out Black Friday 2013. So you have all that at the top. Then when you finally get to the bottom, you have the Kith box logo in like a monogram look all around the bottom of the shoebox. And the shoebox has the inside, you know, like when you make a box, when you got to put a box together, that's the bottom. When you open the shoebox, it has like a apple grip, like, you know, like the Apple ear support, so it doesn't come off easily. Nothing in the inside. Then you get to your Kith box logo paper, and here go the shoes. So let's start with the left shoe. And here go a 360 4K view of the 990 V3 Kith Daytonas. So like I told y'all, man, I love the color blocking, man. Some of my favorite colors is in this sneaker. That nice blue and that nice pink. And I feel like the beige and the sand underlining like blends these colors together perfect. So New Balance and Adidas is probably the only sneaker brand that's still giving us paper tags, which I'm not mad at. But this paper tag here just says made with the USA flag. So it's made in USA, you know, it's telling you where it's manufactured and all that if you didn't get that there. Let's get that out the way. I want to start with the pink New Balance logo. Usually these logos reflect. This is more of a rubber material, so I don't think it reflects, you know, like a bike light in a wheel. It doesn't look like it reflects. I don't see like no silver or platinum undertoning. It's just a rubber end. Behind the rubber end is a nice sand colorway. More white, but it still gives you that sand look. And then it bleeds into that nice blue. When you get past the nice blue, like I said, it's for Daytona Beach, so the blue gotta symbolize the water or the sky somehow. And then if you ever been to Daytona, you see the sky does turn a little pink sometimes. But right here you have a shoelace tag with the NB logo there. It's not your ordinary new NB logo. You have like, I don't know what it looks like. To me, or first glance, it looked like a witch on a broom tree. But y'all let me know, man. Like I told you, I'm a New Balance novice. Y'all let me know what that means. At the back, you have the 990 logo there with the sand color there. Again, Daytona Beach look. And that also comes up to the navy blue here and around the back tab. Back tab has the Kith logo with an X instead of the I there. I think that stands for 20 year anniversary. Not too sure. Down there you have a platinum New Balance logo undertone under the sand. Tell you, the color blocking on this sneaker is almost perfect to me. Come back to the front. Same as the inside. No difference there. Your 990 silhouette style. Before we get into the different color shoelaces, I wanted to show y'all the back of the New Balance tongue. And I'm happy I can show you the back because the sneakers come unlaced. So it's easy to get here. Nice pink, man. That Easter pink and like it feels like it's suede. Like the Strange Love SBs. But it's just a thick cotton pink colorway. The front of the tongue has that nice blue. And it reads New Balance USA. Very dope, man. This is a highlight of the sneaker, man. That tongue is dope. And under there reads Optimal Control. The shoelaces here has that like bubble gum look. You have pink, gray, and blue. Every color in the sneaker is in the shoelaces. But as I told you in the beginning of the video, it comes with so many different color shoelaces wrapped in a regular household rubber band. I'm not mad at that though. And these shoelaces are not regular shoelaces. So they all read Kith. The white one reads Kith. The sandy color one reads Kith. And the tips reads Kith, RF, and the New Balance logo. Okay, so now looking in the insoles, you see that New Balance logo a lot bigger. So now you can see with the NB symbol, I said it looked like a witch. Now it looks like a horse to me, man. Let me know in the comment section below. But your inside is the same blue as the outside of the sneaker. And yeah, that does look like a horse to me. You can see the nice softness of the inside, so you know your feet won't hurt, man. This is soft material, guys, around your ankle support. The bottom, you know it's a 990 V3, so we gotta have that same silhouette at the bottom. Looks like it's great for treading. This is a dope sneaker, guys. It reads New Balance at the bottom. The bottom right there reads end cap. I'm guessing that is like their technology used on this 990 V3, sort of like Adidas with the Boost. But that reads end cap in the inside in a nice platinum tone, the same platinum tone you get of the New Balance logo there. Now, I ain't gonna lie, man, the Bodega New Balance, I like them. The yurts were like out of the way. I feel like that was for somebody who really was gonna go outdoor. These New Balance here by Kith, I like. I can see me wearing these. Nice summer day. Has the pink Daytona look. This blue is beautiful, guys. I think I paid $200 and change from the Kith website. Maybe $235. I can't really. It's nowhere. It's somewhere between $210 and $240. I didn't have a chance to check the email before I recorded this, but for something $240, man, comes with the socks, comes with the dust bag, nice presentation box. I'm not mad at it, man. Right now, StockX and GOAT has these for close to $300. I feel like they're gonna go up because Kith rarely restocks. I mean, like I told you, these came out 2013, almost 10 years ago. We're in 2022, so it got to be a sneaker people want. I feel like if you want them and you didn't get them for the retail, I will buy them now because I think this sneaker will be a $400 sneaker in the next 4 months. I mean, I know it's a New Balance, but man, this sneaker's put together, guys. It's put together. Shout out Ronnie, man. I didn't even show y'all these tips. It says New Balance at the mud guard top right there. Both of them. Kith back, both of them. Yeah, let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. Y'all know I'm gonna keep coming with the heat. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.